Hello everybody. Today we're going to do some little benefit of what we can derive from our phone. Most especially we discovered Android device actually come with enablement of Wi-Fi hotspot. And today we're going to show you how you can easily turn your Android device phone into a modem, and you can as well use it to connect all of that devices that require or needed you to connect to the internet without needing to get another modem, or better still need to go to cafe, and which means you can have your privacy without moving up about spying on you. So without much ado, let's quickly get to work. uh, so at the moment you can see at the top bar here, okay, let's turn this off. So if you can see very well, I restrict my background data in order to, which I've turned off. So first and first, there are two ways to, there you go through your settings. um so what I'm doing now is I want to go through my settings. Then if you can see the settings, then what you discover the SIM management, Wi-Fi hotspot, data. First thing you want to do more, that's considering if you're using any 4.0 and above version of Android OS. So at this stage, I go to my mobile network. Then you discover at the top here the data connection is off, the 3G and this. So main reason is, first and first, before I go ahead, I would like to turn that off, which is automatically off. So at the moment I can switch on, but for now I don't need that for now. So let's go back. Then that's I'm back to the main screen. That's one way, and you can as well get to your settings from this edge here. So it's the settings here, which is more of a shortcut, and this is where we are before I come back. So now getting to work. First of all, you want to do more again. Then on this stage, instead of going to mobile network, we only went there in order to turn it off data. We prefer to do data and portable hotspot. Now two things happen on this tab. If you tab Wi-Fi hotspot, it's different from when you tab this. So first thing, for security reasons, and I don't want to make it open such that I have to do Wi-Fi hotspot. So you also notice that Wi-Fi hotspot, this is still off. So main reason why we're here is to set up our Wi-Fi hotspot such that I can as well change the username. Changing the username is like, I'm sorry, is changing the SSD which I want people to see, and you can say tech geek. You're permitted to use. You're permitted to use whatever name you prefer you want to call it. So in this scenario, I'll be using tech geek. Tech geek. So that's that. Then I can as well change the password, which, but to make things more easy for me, there's a column underneath here which I can tap in order to see what I'm typing. So this password requires you to be 8-digit paraphrase key, which means alphanumerical, or you can as well add symbol. So I can say password pass, then okay. So I want to make the case so complicated that people don't know. Then I can say, so place of my hairs, I use $, then come back and added words to it. Let me quickly do that. Right, immediately it's up to 8. So you discover this save showed up automatically, which can be clickable. If I remove one digit, it's not showing again, which means it's not up to 8. So when I quickly do that, so it showed up. Then I can as well say save. Now immediately I say save, I'm sure that it's only people that know the name here, as you can see. Tech Geek, see there, Tech Geek, WPAPSK, portable Wi-Fi hotspot. So I've been able to do that. Then at this stage, I can as well turn this on. Immediately I do that, you can see, and you discover something on this page here, at the top here, if you can see this middle. Let me turn it off so you can see that working here. So because I turn it off, you see the stuff is off. So once I put it on, yes, you can see it comes in here, that one in the middle. At this stage, people around, fellow colleagues, fellow students can have access to this network, but they cannot be able to browse. Why? One, they don't know my password. Two, I have not put on the Wi-Fi. I've put on the Wi-Fi hotspot so that they can see, but the truth is they cannot browse because I've not even put on the data on my phone. Therefore, I quickly want to do that. I can go back here and remember this stage. Can as well go back here and remember this stage. Then come back to mobile network. You can put it on here, or better still, I can just come to the main home screen, drag this down, use my back key there, and as well just come to data connection. Oh, the fact that I'm using two SIM means that I can as well, at this point in time, uh, tap whichever network I want to use to browse. Immediately I do that. Take for example, choose this Etisalat as the first, so it takes some few seconds to put it on, and as soon as that is done, voila, and you can as well see all other stuff, notification, and the likes. So why that is done, we're through, and we're seriously through. You can as well check, you can see all my notification and everything are just showing up, and there's no big deal about it. You can see all those things out today. So let's wrap it up at this junction, and I've been able to tell you, uh, though there are different methods, there are about three ways in which you can do this. This is just one of the ways. Please kindly like our page for more updates. If you have any further question, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Till I come your way to show you the second type, and take also all the precautions and security measures such that you don't get stuck in the middle. Thank you, and getting to see you and read more of your comments.